Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your firmware and app versions align so playback matches recorded telemetry. Connect the drone or SD card over USB or Wi-Fi, then enable replay or developer mode in settings so raw logs are accessible. Once connected, import the flight log, select the bin or log file and load it into Flight Control Replay. This gives you the timeline and telemetry channels to work with. Make sure timestamps look continuous before moving on. Now you analyze the recording. Scrub the timeline and set precise start and end markers to focus on the event you want to study. Choose which telemetry channels to display: GPS, IMU, barometer, and RC inputs, because they reveal cause and effect. Then configure playback, adjust speed, enable smoothing to reduce noise, and sync camera footage to telemetry so visuals and data align. Once configured, step through keyframes frame by frame to inspect anomalies and note trigger points. To finish, export the synchronized video or a CSV of the selected telemetry for reporting or further analysis. Choose resolution and timecode options that match your review needs. Annotate critical events with timestamps, save a replay preset for repeat investigations, and document findings for maintenance or flight rule changes. If data is missing or jumps occur, check file integrity first, verify timestamp continuity, and confirm that sensor logging was enabled during the flight. That usually resolves most playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.